time you press this button, you win 1,000 V-Bucks. Next question, press the button. What are the name of the 2 farms in the Chapter 1 map?
NRT Atrids and...
You beef Scrubs!
What
we got right here is a button. Every time you press this button, you win 1,000 V-Bucks.
Wait, what's the catch?
If you want to press this button, you get kills in Fortnite.
It's too easy.
And to win the V-Bucks, you must answer a trivia question.
Okay, bet.
If you answer correct, you win 1,000 V-Bucks.
Oh, let's go.
Let's see how much V-Bucks my little brother can win in this challenge. So, Scrubs, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe right now with your post notifications turned on. And last but not least, please go down below, scrub the like button. Yo, beef Scrubs, how many likes you in this video?
I'm trying to win 100,000 people, so I was trying to get 100,000 likes.
Check this out. So I got the V-Bucks right here. Let's see if Basers can win these. Yo, Basers, are you ready to win V-Bucks?
Is that even a question? I'm always ready for V-Bucks.
Well, let's talk about V-Bucks. So the more kills you get, the higher chance you can win V-Bucks.
Let's go about pop off.
First, we're gonna play duels. So let's see how many kills you can get. Then you're gonna press the button and answer some trivia questions to win some V-Bucks. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Now let's do this. Let's do this, Basers. This is my first season 3 game. I didn't get a dub yet, so I got a carry.
Imagine.
I didn't play yet. I was too busy.
Nah, you're just trash. You
I'm
can't even
level
hit a
1.
single dub.
Well, that's why I need the carry.
It's been 3 days, bro. I got like 50 out of 3 days.
Well, you play this game 24/7.
Nah, I'm just too good.
Now let's see how many kills you can get.
All right.
Then when they land or what?
Yeah.
All right, find me a drum shotgun and it's GG's.
Nah, I'm just in the T-pits. Drum shotguns are too goated. Hold on. Oh, you were good, bud.
Oh my goodness!
Where are you, bro?
Bro, he's low!
You're trash!
He's one tap! Quick, before he ends me! Quick! It's right here! Oh, he ended me! Where are you at? You're so slow!
Bro,
He lasered me! I got laser!
Why would you rush by yourself? You know you're trash.
Well, I don't know what that new gun was I was using. If I was using a new gun, I don't know what it does. Okay, let's go. I weakened him. It's all good. Get this other guy. You got this.
Oh, man.
That's 1 kill for base Scrubs. So you can press the button once.
Come on, buddy.
Why are you struggling against this bot? Just give me the loot.
Oh, my. Well,
You're actually a creative warrior. Okay. Come on. That's what I'm talking
you're
about.
trash.
That's
Don't
2
even
kills.
try against me, boy.
So you can press the button 2 times and answer 2 trivia questions. Hurry up and reboot me.
Come in.
You don't have to do a try hard reboot, just reboots.
This is how you do it.
I'm alive! Yo, where's the shotguns at? Yo, do you have a drum shotgun by any chance?
Yeah, I do actually.
You want to trade?
Nah, bro.
I have a legendary auto shotgun.
Sure, legendary.
I have a heavy
Not
pump.
great.
Heavy pump.
What's a heavy pump?
That's what I have. What does this gun do?
It's a hammer assault rifle.
What about this? Okay, what's better? The hammer? I think the hammer, right?
No.
You sure? I think
Yeah.
you're trolling. I can't trust
No,
you.
actually, the hammer is like, it's bad for aiming, and it's not even that good.
You sure? Fine. Okay. I'll drop that.
You
Yo!
got trolled, boy.
What are you doing? Oh my days.
It does 35 in the body.
You said it 20. I don't need your help.
Bro, I literally just rebooted you. And I'm carrying you right now. I'm carrying you.
I found you those kills. You didn't even know where they're at. You were too busy looting up like a
I
bot.
killed both of them, actually.
Well, I weakened them.
You said hell.
Right here.
Bro, dead him.
Okay, I got this.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you dead him, okay?
Okay. Where you at? You just brought my kill. What? Where's this partner at? I was getting shot at.
I'm taking
scared?
this.
Yo, give it to me.
Okay. Yoink!
Oh my days. Serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. Now, where's his teammate?
He's somewhere here.
Come on, bro.
I heard his teammate. He's around here somewhere. So you got 3 kills. Someone's here.
He killed himself. He is so bad. He killed himself with a grenade. Hey, yo, hiding.
Yo, this chest is broken. Bro. It's broken. Look. I glitched the game. What the heck? I'm inside the chest.
creative.
Oh! I got shot! I got shot at! Yo, base Scrubs! Quick, 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 quick! The chest is glitched!
So bad, man.
Quick, 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 quick! Well, don't you want kills or what? They knocked you down!
Well, you just fall off,
You're about to lose! Oh my, it's not a ball lobby. You just lost.
You better kill him. He's so
Wow!
He's so bad! Oh my god!
He had a legendary! I thought it was a ball lobby. What happened?
Bro, how did you die?
You only got 3 kills?
You got 0.
I thought you were gonna win 100,000 V-Bucks.
It's just the first game.
I'm only give you 1 attempt at this challenge, so what are you talking about?
Whoa, please, that was my warm-up.
Well, I have a better idea. So first, we're gonna take you to the map. So you're gonna press the button and answer some trivia questions.
I'm about to answer them all correctly.
All right, let's see this. So let's first do the trivia. Then we'll talk about another attempt after. It's time for the trivia base, so press the button.
Okay.
All right, so the first question is, what season did the Red Knight skin come out in?
Season 1.
Ding, ding, ding. That's correct. So that's 1,000 V-Bucks.
Let's go.
Next question. Press the button. All right, so what was that tier 100 skin for season 3 battle pass in chapter 1?
Omega.
Wrong.
Wait.
It was the Reaper. Omega was for season 4. You ready for the final question?
Yeah.
Press the button. What color is the OG Skull Trooper?
Okay. OG?
Yes.
Oh, purple.
That is correct. So that's 2,000 V-Bucks from Baby Scrubs.
That's easy.
You only want 2,000 V-Bucks? What happened to 100,000?
I want another attempt.
All right, I have an idea. Let's 1v1. Up to 5. Every time you kill me, you can press the button.
Oh, that's too easy. Let's go.
So if you 5-0 me, then you can press the button 5 times.
Woo, let's go.
Ready, Baby Scrubs?
Yes, sir.
Then let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm about to clap you right now. You're a bot. You're a creative warrior. Why couldn't you have done this in the game?
Because not that much people are bot like you, bro.
Whoa, before you rushed those people, you said it's a bot lobby, and then you just lost. So explain that, buddy.
Nah, I died, so
Nah,
I can see what you do.
embarrassing. Chill.
Bro, look at this dude.
No. You're playing on PC.
Oh, the end?
You're hacking.
What?
Woo! I like that.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
Exactly.
Why are you scared, boy? I'm gonna try something. You're trash!
How low are you? I almost got you. That's fine. It's only 1 kill. You're not getting more.
Sure.
All right, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Just stop coning and you ain't getting more kills. I said stop coning. Edit that. Here you edit, edit.
Hello.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? You have a better PC. I'm playing on PC with a controller, so I don't even get aim assist or anything.
Whoa, I froze.
Actually?
Okay,
What happened? See, you're lying.
I swear I froze.
Froze. Freeze again. Let me up.
Let's go!
Stop.
You're pickaxe!
Please stop.
You're trash! I thought I was getting no more kills, bud. You're trash!
You know why you killed me? Because I was letting you. But now activate tryhard mode.
Sure. 3, 2, 1, go!
Made a mistake, Baby Scrubs. Why is my guy crouching? See, you're hacking. Why are my builds inverted? What's going on?
You're so bad.
Stop. Let me just go up. Oh my goodness.
This went so hard for you.
You already have like every skin in the game. You already have more V-Bucks.
Now I need more.
You're about to spend them all anyways. Just, what are you scared of?
So shitty.
Yes. Come. I do.
You're trash, dude. If that was tryhard mode, what happened?
Well, my builds were glitched and I was crouching the whole time. I don't know what happened.
What?
You're sabotaging me.
Nah. Alright, 3,
You
2,
DDoSed me or something.
1, go. It's just excuses.
Okay, just don't call me and then I'll win. I said don't call me. That's the first thing you do.
Cool.
How do I deactivate cones? Turn the cones off. I'm gonna make a 1v1 map where you can't use cones.
Oh shoot! What's that come from?
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Get it on.
Stay. There you stay. Oh! Let's go! Not even close. You got laser. Woo! Don't worry, bitch. I'm catching up. If I get 5 points before you, you ain't pressing the button.
Bro, I'm about to try on one now.
Now let's see this. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see how fast you can kill me. Help! Why are you scared? Oh.
Scared, buddy.
How many points do you have?
You trashed it.
It's game point for you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. You're about to lose.
Oh no,
No more points for you. Yeah, you messed up? Oh, that's what I thought. I got the high ground, boy. Put that there. How did you? You're high.
Buddy, you trash. Who has high ground? Who has high ground now?
You're knocking me down. Hey, where did shots come from? Big cover. Help me.
Bye. You ready? 2.
Where did you come from?
Easy.
5 questions, baby girl, so I'll press the button. Question number 1. Who is the best Fortnite player?
Bro.
You have to answer it.
Is that even a question?
Who is the best?
Like who I think is the best?
No, who is the best?
Oh
There's only one right answer. I think he's standing right here. I think the best player is Scrubzah right now. Well, if you answer wrong, and then you just lose a chance.
Scrubzah.
Yeah, exactly.
Bro, I'll do anything for
I am the best player. I already got one answer right. Next question, press the button. How much does a cuddle team leader cost in the item shop?
Cuddle team leader?
Yes. You don't know this? I have every skin.
Is that the pink skin?
Yeah.
Okay. It's between 1,500 or 2,000.
Well, pick one.
2,000.
That is correct.
Let's go.
That's 2,000 Vbucks.
Let's go.
Question 3, press the button. What are the name of the 2 farms in the Chapter 1 map?
NRT Atrids and Fatal Fields.
That is correct.
Let's go.
That's 3 questions right now. It's time for the next one, so press the button. What happened to the cube at the end of season 5?
Exploded and then wait. No.
Is that your answer?
So I'm just gonna say this.
What?
Exploded and all the butterflies or something?
Wrong. That is incorrect. So it melted in Loot Lake. So you got that wrong. Now it's time for the final question, so press the button. So how much damage does a headshot on a pump normally do? The options are 225, 175, and 6. So pick one.
225.
And that is correct.
Let's go.
So you got 4 out of 5 questions correct. So that's 4,000 V-Bucks from this trivia. And from the last ones, that's 6,000 V-Bucks total.
Let's go.
You didn't win 100,000 V-Bucks, but you won 6,000 V-Bucks instead. So here you go. These are for you.
Let's go.
But make sure you use code Scrubzah in Fortnite item shop.
Yes, sir.
So that was a fun challenge. If you want to see more Fortnite trivia, let me know in the comments down below. I still got lots of V-Bucks left, so if you want any, make sure you subscribe with your post notifications turned on and comment down below with your epic name. Also follow me on Instagram so I can DM you. So all that being said, I'll see you on the next one. So keep scrubbing. Whoosh.